Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm going to still be very careful because soldering irons, they take a while to heat up, take a while to cool off, and it has been a good number of minutes, but I don't want to be anywhere near it just in case. So this 128 was doing nothing. No indication of anything. Nothing. So I took the soldering iron, looking for cold solder joints, and I tweaked all the connections there. Do I really think this is going to work? No, but you never know, you know. I still see nothing. Not a flash. Not a glimmer. Wheel. That is strange. It is. Actually, here's a thing I can do that is not really normally something that I would do. Where's this power cord? Okay. This is going to the 1540. Okay, I am going to unplug the 128 power supply. I am from here. And I'm going to unplug the cord I used on the 1541 here. I'm going to put this in here. Because see, this power bar, if it signifies that something is turned on, let's turn this fan off. There. If it figures out that something is turned on, it will activate other things on the power bar. So if I flip this and I hear something happening, and I don't, it could be wiggle this a bit. That is strange. It may be the power switch is no good. Or wouldn't that be something? Oh, I heard something. I'm going to turn the volume up a bit. Nope, not that time. Okay, I'm going to wiggle the power connector a bit. Thought I heard something. Maybe not. Nope. Alright, just let me verify that the cord I have plugged in here is actually going. It is going to the correct power supply. But I'm getting that little flash is just going between the modes. Whoa, something happened. Okay, the power bar did acknowledge when I flipped that. It did. I heard a little click over there. Aha, and I heard a little click. Okay, so it is getting power, but nothing is happening. It's funny, I hear a little kind of a drone sound, almost sounds like a helicopter. And it changes ever so slightly. But it didn't. I'll leave that turned on for a moment. Let's see, maybe this is a similar thing where there are capacitor issues. And it didn't acknowledge that. The power bar did not acknowledge. Alright, I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to give a little pressure on this. Ha! Saw a little something on the screen. I'm going to touch some chips. It's funny though, because I didn't see anything going on over there. I'm going to hold this up a bit this time. Nothing. I did not see. The power bar is not acknowledging. It is not acknowledging. I heard something. But the power bar is not acknowledging. Well, yeah. What could it be? I don't know. Normally, all right, I'm going to tweak this a little to the side. Nothing. And tweak this a little to the side. Nothing. And tweak it up. Nothing. Tweak it down. Nothing. I'm going to move it around. Nothing. All right, this is peculiar. Well, in troubleshooting, sometimes you know what you know. Sometimes you know what you don't know. And I'm not sure I know what I don't know. So I am going to get this machine over here. The one that I have been using to test things with. It is turned off. And I'm going to confirm that we have power going into the sucker. Oh yeah. And we do. Now I got that turned up pretty loud, because that too is a way to tell if things are happening. All right, we'll go for the 80. Okay, so we have a 128. It's doing nothing. When we know the power supply works, we know the video works, we know the monitor works. So it's time to do some chip swapping. Now, here's the iron. It's not quite cool yet. This was worth a try. I'm not sure. I don't want to hurt anything with this. Well, I guess I'll just now, I know it's completely away from things. I will pop it down here. So, I guess it's time to pop some chips. I guess it is. All right, well, turn this back on. Thanks for coming. Next time, we'll pop some chips. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.